If the washer door or lid on your washer-dryer combo won't lock, here are the 4 most probable causes. The lid lock assembly, attached to the underside of the washer's main top for top-load models, may be defective and unable to lock. The entire assembly can be replaced to solve the problem. If the washer is a front load, the door latch assembly, attached to the back side of the washer's front panel, may be malfunctioning in the same way. Again, the entire assembly should be replaced to resolve the issue. The lid or door strike, which inserts into the latch assembly when the lid or door is closed, may be broken. Since the strike is not repairable, you will need to replace it with a new one. The main control board controls when the lid or door lock should secure the lid or door and release it, so a faulty board might be causing the issue. Since this is not a common problem, you should first confirm the other components of the lock mechanism are working properly before considering a control board replacement. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your washer-dryer combo.